Good morning, everyone. Trevor Thompson, TNT Pressure Cleaning. Dynamite service with explosive results. So I am here at the Orlando International Airport and want to show you guys some of the work that we've done. We've completed phase one, which was a car wash rental return area. It's a refueling station as well. And we completed the top of the roof, which wasn't galvanized. It was an aluminum roof with a lot of beams, high degree of difficulty. We used about 200 feet of supply hose and about 300 feet of high pressure hose just to reach. We used a scissor lift in lieu of using ladders, which made life a whole lot easier. And we also all had to have harnesses. And there's a lot of rules and regulations that we had to abide by to make this job happen. They're a very environmentally friendly operation. So EBC was used, Terra Wash soaps were used. There's a lot of things that we used to get this job done correctly. Now, they have contracted another exterior cleaning company to do another terminal, and they're having a very hard time getting the results that we got. We are professional pressure cleaners, power washers, and soft washers. So I want to show you what the building looks like. This is something that we accomplished on Friday of last week, and we're going to knock the rest of this out this week. So if you take a look with me, what I'm going to show you is the exterior fascia of the building. Now that side has not been done. This side has been done. So if we look, you can almost see an area that you can see in through here. You can really tell that that is still not completely done, and this area has been done. So we've done the columns here. We've removed a lot of stickers, gum, things that have been built up. I want you to take a look at this, which is the underside of the canopy. So we've done around the light fixtures. We've done these runs here, these PVC runs that divert water in case of fire. And if you take a look, you can really see the difference between this side and this side. You can see the molds, the mildews. This was the very first car wash refueling station that was built at this airport. It's been here for many, many years, unlike the one over here in the distance that we've already completed. That was newly built. So although this was very heavy in organic matter and carbon buildup, it was nowhere near as dirty as this one. So if I take you over here and I show you and I sort of pan in, you can really see what that looks like. You can see just the organic matter that's built up there. And that's from any type of moisture that's seeping through the seams of the roof. You can see what these PVC runs look like. Every time I put my finger there, it gets, but you can see how bad that is. Now, and you can see that all of the carbon staining all along the roof here. Now, if we pan over, you can see just how beautiful that is. See what I mean? What a difference that we make. We just had one of our power washers, Addison, show up. He owns a company called Wash On. He's running an 8-gallon a minute and a 5-gallon a minute machine. And he is a master at paver sealing. So I've learned to become very good friends with him, and we have a great working relationship. So this is the condition that we've been able to restore the columns in. There was mold and rust on these columns. They look virtually brand new. But I just wanted you guys to see, this is kind of what it looks like before. This is what it looks like after. So today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be doing some finishing touch-ups. Sorry about that sun. Some finishing touch-ups on some of the PVC runs that are over here in the distance. But today we are going to get all of this underside done in through here, and you can just see how dirty that is. You can really see, especially if I take you over here, you can see all this will come clean. All of that will come clean. You can really just see how filthy that is. So that will be today's project. getting the small underside done. And then I'm gonna, as soon as I get out of the sun here, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do also today, which will be this top side of the canopy. Good morning, Addison. This is the top side of this canopy. So we'll be shooting all of this today from here over, and then we'll be shooting all of this today. And then eventually we'll be doing the flat work inside of the car washes. There's 3 on this side, and there's 2 on this side. And then later in the week, we'll shoot all of this and all of that. But my name is Trevor Thompson. I own TNT Pressure Cleaning. Thank you all so much for coming out with me. Once we get the scissor lift all set up, I'll show you that real quick. I'll take you up on the roof and give you a sneak peek of the finished product of the roof. It came out just absolutely beautiful. We are in the restoration and rejuvenation business. We're not just pressure cleaners. We restore things to almost a state of brand new. So we went to Sunbelt and we got ourselves a scissor lift. And once I unplug that and get that set up on the roof, I'm gonna take you over there and bring you up on the roof and let you see what that roof looks like, let you see what the finished product looks like. But we'll also be shooting the exterior fascia today, which will be all of the sides here. You can see the organic matter that's built up there. You can see the blacks, the mildews, the greens, the molds. And so that's gonna look really brand new. I'll let you see one more time what that looks like. But guys, we are at Ground Zero at the Federal Aviation and Aeronautics Airport. We are right there by the tower, right where all of the planes take off. This is one of the most heavily visited airports in our nation. And I'm very grateful and super blessed to be working here and being a part of this team. It does take a team because you guys can see, you know, the sheer size of this. Now, my Xjet M5 with a 36 attached to a 48-inch lance is easily tackling this job. And as you can see, that's quite a height right there. So you're looking at a solid 25 and 30 foot reach. And when you get winds added in there, it's a whole different story. So you guys can just see how beautiful that is. This was our work on Friday. We accomplished all the way to that fence, all of this perimeter here. 1 guy soaps, 2 guys rinse and clean. Trevor Thompson, TNT Pressure Cleaning. Thanks for coming out. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.